Good evening, everyone. Say good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
It's dinner time. I'll be right back.
And impact your evening commute.
But it is also a problem that'll keep popping up for several more years. The bridge itself was built back in 1965.
No, I can't
More
have
than
some
a quarter
wine,
million
yeah.
cars and trucks
No,
drive over it every single day. WashDOT crews have been doing various repairs and patching jobs like this one on the bridge all year. But they say the bridge deck needs to be entirely rebuilt. Problem is, WashDOT says the $55 million needed to redo the road surface isn't available until around the year 2026. So until that repaving happens, we'll keep seeing problems like today's.
As we're taking back live to those bridge repairs, those will not only impact drivers heading south, but also several Sound Transit and King County Metro bus routes as well. WashDOT's now urging people to avoid the area if you can. They don't know when it will be reopening, and they do have a bit of a traffic alert that southbound I-5 will be jammed all afternoon long. As soon as we get an update on the status of that traffic, we will pass it on to you.
Developing under the national news tab right now, firefighters are trying to figure out why this passenger train suddenly caught fire this afternoon outside Philadelphia. The fire started inside an empty train car. Nobody is hurt, but that fire is creating serious delays for commuters there. We're trying to get some more information about a woman who was found dead floating in the waters of the Puget Sound. Police found her body near the Mukilteo Lighthouse late this morning. Officers say the woman is elderly, but have not released any other details about her.
The Sonoma County Sheriff's Office says it found an overdue hiker dead near a popular trail in the Cascades. A 33-year-old Linwood man left on a day hike to Blanca Lake, northeast of Index, Monday afternoon, but he never came home. Search and rescue teams say they found the man dead near the lake Tuesday morning. Deputies say it appears the man's death was an accident. Seattle police officers could be getting nearly $70 million raise. Today, officers heard the details of a brand new contract. And only on Como, the union head says the contract focuses on officer retention. Come's Jennifer Sullivan has more on this long-awaited deal.
What the hell is it?
Seattle police officers have been inside this union hall since this morning discussing details of the tentative agreement. And while the price tag is staggering, I'm told this contract focuses on one big thing:
I know you had it
officer
to me.
retention. Seattle police are on track to be some of the highest paid officers in the state if this contract is backed. It's a deal 3.5 years in the making. It includes cost of living increases, wage increases, and improved benefits. Sources tell Como some 1,300 officers will get a 20% salary bump by 2020. They'll receive 3.5 years of retroactive pay immediately. The grand total of all of this is roughly $70 million.
The reality is this: we're losing bodies. If you want to retain bodies, you're going to have to pay a competitive wage. If you want to recruit bodies, you're going to have to pay a competitive wage.
We're a city struggling to help thousands of homeless and pay for worn-out infrastructure like the Magnolia Bridge. It's unclear how the city will pay for these salary increases. The tentative contract, we're told, gives officers improved health care benefits. There will also be changes to how discipline is appealed, changes to staffing in the Office of Professional Accountability, as well as extra pay for officers who wear body cameras. This tentative contract will be voted on by officers in the coming days. If it's back, it will then be heard by the Seattle City Council. In Seattle, Jennifer Sullivan, Como News.
Here's a live look out at Century Field right now, where one of soccer's biggest American stars will no longer suit up for the Sounders or anyone else. Striker Clint Dempsey announced he is retiring from professional soccer in this simple post saying thank you on his Instagram account this morning. Como Steve McCarron is with the Sounders as they look back on Dempsey's historic career.
Well, the Sounders held their first practice here at Starfire today since Dempsey announced his retirement. Arguably one of the best players to put on a uniform here in the U.S. And Dempsey said in a statement that was released by the Sounders that he just felt like now was the right time to step away from the game. Dempsey spent 5 years with the Sounders, 7 with the English Premier League, and served on the U.S. men's national team. And his accomplishments are simply tremendous. He leads the game tied with Freddie Montero for the most Sounders goals all time with 47. He helped the team capture its only supporter shield in 2014, a U.S. Open Cup, the MLS Cup in 2016.
All right, guys,
and a
back.
Western
Sorry.
Conference title last year. He's also tied for the most international goals scored by an American.
Spilt something.
The last couple of years, he has been hampered by injuries. Fellow players told us today that they respect Dempsey's decision to step away from the game. They say Dempsey
It's been a
took
busy
risks
day, guys.
to be
Really.
successful on and off the pitch, and he was
It's a new kind now. You can eat.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
one guy that showed that grit, you know, that passion in
On to the meeting later, so we're eating kind of quick,
for
but
that reason he was being successful.
Dempsey says a lot of thought was put into his decision. He said it was always his dream.
I hope you guys' day is good.
To have been on this ride. He especially wanted to thank all the fans who supported him throughout his career and made him feel at home.
There you go,
And there are plans to honor Dempsey before Saturday's match against Kansas City. It's scheduled to begin at 1 o'clock at CenturyLink Field. In Tukwila, Steve McCarron, come on in.
Let's get a live look outside now over downtown Seattle on this
Water's gone.
afternoon. Well, it's a little cloudy out there, isn't it? Let's check in with
Yeah.
Shannon.
Yeah.
For a look
And
at our
my-
forecast today.
Here it comes.
Sure.
Well, you're nice enough
Not
out
a
there
run.
today.
Well.
Almost a touch of fall. Can you feel that? The quality of the light changing.
Mom's
just
gonna
enough
come
that
and
you
say
can
hello
tell we're
here.
Heading towards some different weather. New season about to take shape here as we head
Here's
into the next
this.
couple of weeks.
Open it,
I know
I'd
Cooper
say.
Lawson
Yeah, you did.
sporting some of that cloud cover
Oh, and,
sitting back over
guys,
north into
here's some
Puget
more
Sound,
water.
Whidbey Island. You can see the
Life
surf
water.
really familiar back in Friday Harbor. Our
Ash will be peeing until I'm dead.
overcast starting to post on in
she'll
here
be
from the
alive.
ocean beaches and cover things up there around the marina. And at Lake Chelan,
We're having pizza tonight.
Cover and some showers. Certainly looks better than it has in recent weeks. Most of the smoke there clearing out pretty nicely, and some people are definitely enjoying
greasy.
late summer weather at
No,
Lake
it's good.
Chelan there
Not
by
greasy,
jumping
is
in
it?
and playing some beach volleyball.
We'll
Temperature
do
wise,
it
we're in the
one more
60s
day.
and the 70s.
Yeah.
Certainly warmer
Hi,
than
everybody.
Beaumont, Pierce County.
Hi, everybody. Hope your evening and afternoon and whatever is good. So now I'm gonna sit down and feed my fat face.
See you guys tonight.